Hi, Namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to this session. So today I'll be telling you about the 10 most important compounds and their common names. So you might be wondering why are we doing a separate session on that. So we have been solving the previous year question papers and hot series, accession reasoning. So we are trying to solve as many questions as we can. So you might have come across these kind of questions where they are asking for the common name or the chemical name of the compounds, or they are just using the chemical name to confuse you. Or if I just say blue vitriol, so few of you might not get it. What exactly is that? So it is very important for you to know the chemical name, common name, and their structure of very few important compounds. So that is what I'll be telling you in this session. Ready? Yes, so let's get started. The first one is bleaching powder. So everyone knows what is bleaching powder, no? Yeah, even my mom, they all use it. But what about the chemical formula? What about the chemical name? That is something only the people who are studying chemistry would know. So bleaching powder is CaOCl2. This is its chemical formula and its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Okay, so generally we use bleaching powder, but they might ask you what is the chemical name or what is the structure of calcium oxychloride. You might not you should not get confused. You might get confused, so let's just eliminate those kind of might, because we are learning it now. So bleaching powder is CaOCl2, that is calcium oxychloride. So here if you see, there is a covalent bond between oxygen and chlorine, but this is ionic bond. Okay, Ca2 plus Cl minus OCl minus. If you are confused with the structure, so there are no coordinate bonds here, so it's only covalent and ionic. The second one is baking soda. Again, we use it in our kitchen, but what is its chemical name? So its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So its chemical formula is NaHCO3, right? Sodium bicarbonate or HCO3 minus. So it is hydrogen carbonate, HCO3 minus. So this is bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate ion. So baking soda is the common name, sodium bicarbonate is its chemical name, and its chemical formula is NaHCO3. So here in this session I will be giving you the structure of the compounds as well. So if you are confused with what kind of bonding is there in NaHCO3 and all that, so this is HCO3 minus is one ion, anion. So there will be ionic bonding between Na plus and HCO3 minus, and you know how is it prepared, right? The third one is washing soda. So we have been using only washing soda to represent the compound Na2CO3.10H2. But what is its chemical name? So it is sodium carbonate. But what about the water of crystallization? Deca-10, no? Hydrate. So sodium carbonate. Let me just write it. Sodium carbonate decahydrate is the chemical name of washing soda. So sodium carbonate is only Na2CO3, but sodium carbonate decahydrate is washing soda. Yes, and this is its structure, Na2CO3, and there will be water of crystallization, of course. Next is the fourth one is plaster of Paris, POP. That's how it is commonly known as, plaster of Paris, right? But what is its chemical name? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate it is, because it has only half molecule. So one water molecule is being shared between two formula units of calcium sulfate. So calcium sulfate dot half H2O is the chemical formula, and its chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half, deca means 10 there. Okay, next is blue vitriol, that is copper sulfate dot 5H2O. So we all know about copper sulfate, right? So that is what we have been using. Take copper sulfate in the test tube, but what is its common name? It is called as blue vitriol, and ferrous sulfate is green vitriol. Okay, chal. So wanna join us, gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks. So yes, and before that, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. If you're here for the first time, click on the button and like the session, share this video with your friends as well. Thank you so much, thanks in advance. If you want to take up the pro subscription, why? Because if you are facing any of these issues, like doubts are not getting solved, the notes is not proper, so lagging behind in the syllabus, so all these problems we have figured out a solution. So once you are a pro subscriber, then you will get to attend unlimited live classes. We have these different courses like micro courses, crash courses. So we have already started crash courses, that is basically a revision course where we will be completing again, we'll be teaching the complete syllabus in limited amount of time, right? So if you have not started it, or you don't know where to start from, then it's the right time to take up the pro subscription. And there are some nice offers as well. So if you use the coupon code SURPRO, you will be getting additional discount. Along with that, these micro courses and crash courses only for the pro subscriber, it's free. More classes, lesser the price you need to pay, only if you use the coupon code SURPROC. This is the number of classes and this is the price you need to pay for a class, or per class you'll be paying only 6 rupees if you have taken the pro subscription 1 month ka. Okay, yes. So next is sugar. So what is the chemical formula of sugar? Glucose and sugar are same? No, right? So sugar is sucrose. C12H22O11, sucrose, C12H22O11. So this is something you should know. And glucose is C6H12O6. Okay, so glucose is C6H12O6, whereas sucrose is C12H22O11. Next is methane. So its common name is marsh gas. They might ask you, yes, marsh gas, why? Because it is found in marshy places, है ना? Yes. So methane, CH4, that is the chemical formula, CH4, and its IUPAC name is methane and common name is marsh gas. And this is the structure. It has tetrahedral structure. Okay, next is gypsum. One more important compound, especially in the chapter when we talk about the salts, acids, bases and salts, both for ICSE and CBSE. So gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate, because you have 2 water molecules. POP is hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate dihydrate is gypsum. You should know the difference, okay? Please do not get confused. Gypsum is CaSO4.2H2O, whereas POP is CaSO4.5H2O. Next is ethanol. So ethanol is the IUPAC name. Its common name is ethyl alcohol. So but whenever we talk about alcohol, maybe in the alcoholic drinks and all that, we are referring to ethanol only, which is C2H5OH. Okay, this is the structural formula, this is the molecular formula. C2H5OH is the molecular formula, and so here we have just in the structural formula we have shown the each and every bond between carbon and hydrogen. So ethanol is the IUPAC name, ethyl alcohol is its common name, but whenever we mention alcohol, so it is ethanol. The last one is acetic acid. So if I ask my mom, yeah, I need acetic acid, she'll be like, what? But vinegar, everyone knows, right? And everyone will have it in the kitchen. So acetic acid is commonly known as vinegar. But vinegar the concentration will be different, of course, okay? So they will be using only 3 to 5% of acetic acid and the rest will be water. The concentration will be very less, but still. So acetic acid ka common name is vinegar. So this is it, our chotu motu sa session. If you enjoy it, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, share this video with your friends. So click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'm live or whenever we are premiering the videos. If you have any queries, reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Yes, I am receiving few number of mails, so I will be replying to them very soon as I can. Thank you so much. Bye bye.